All right, now we're going to show you how to use a floss threader for someone who has a lingual bar, braces, or a bridge. So you'll pull the floss through the little loop, and then you can just tie a little knot in it just to make sure that the floss stays on there while you're flossing, like so. Tie the knot. Then you can use your threader. For someone who has a lingual bar like she does, what you can do is you can go ahead and just push the threader straight through the papilla. It'll come through the back side. You can pull it all the way through, and then you'll practice your C-shaped flossing. So you're going to go ahead and do this side of the tooth and then this side, and then you can pull it back through, and you'll repeat for every tooth that has the lingual bar.